Hi, my name is Laura Schellhardt. I am the playwright of Digging Up Dessa. This is a story I've been working on for a long time. It is near and dear to my heart as both an educator and a writer and also as a mother. Digging Up Dessa is the story of a 12-year-old girl who really wants to be a scientist in a world that doesn't often support female scientists. She is a young girl who has experienced a recent trauma, and she is working through that trauma as best she can. She's been moved to a new city. She's launching into a new school. And one of the ways that she's finding her way through it is that she has a mentor who happens to be a scientist, a paleontologist named Mary Anning, who died in 1847. She has found a way to bring this woman into her life. And the two of them together are navigating this rocky terrain of what it means to be a woman in this world, but more importantly, what it means to be a female scientist in this world. I should also say that this play is part of the Women's Voices Festival, and it has been an honor to look at the women that I am in the midst of. It's really wonderful to look up and see Julia Cho's name and to see Sarah DeLapp's name alongside this play. I'm very grateful for that opportunity.